Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers. Welcome to my channel, and I have a very interesting video for you all today. So what I'm gonna say is, if you're ordering from AliExpress, make sure you know the ins and outs of AliExpress, and if feasible, pay with PayPal. So I may go into detail on another video, but anyway, just know the ins and outs of AliExpress. So anyway, make sure you all keep watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this hair review. So the hair that I will be trying today is from SOKU hair on AliExpress. Let me just give you all the short story. The company had the wrong price of their hair listed on their website on AliExpress. They had 3 26-inch bundles and a 20-inch frontal on AliExpress for only $91. So they had the option to pay with PayPal, so I decided, hey, why don't I go ahead and try to buy this? I'm gonna give them their credit. They had excellent customer service. Even though they're like, oh, it's a mistake, please cancel the order, please add $90 to your order. But child, I was not gonna do that. So the manager said, just give her the hair. So we're gonna see if this hair is what they said is what I ordered. I'm very nervous. I don't know what this is, but I'm opening it on camera, and I waited. I ran home from class. Got my scissors. Let's do this. Ooh, child. Could be anything. Let's see if they kept their word. So this is 3 bundles of water wave hair and 1 frontal. So let's see. That's what it's supposed to be. It says 26 inches on the label. Let's see. Wait, let me pull out my measuring tape. You all know I am good for my measuring tape. I know curly hair is always going to be a little shorter looking, but when you stretch it, it's supposed to be the length it said if it was. Well, I can't find my measuring tape today, unfortunately. But anyway, let me try to open this, child. Anyway, I opened all 3 of the bundles. This is the hair. This is really pretty. Ooh, child. This is really pretty. I have 3 bundles. They are a little tiny, but you know, as you go up, these are a little tiny, but as you go up, it's supposed to be a little shorter. The length of the row, the track gets shorter as the hair gets longer. But it seems like this may be about 26 inches. This seems like it falls to my lower back, and I'm 5'7", so I think it's probably about 26 inches. But this is the hair, and let's see this frontal. So this is the frontal. Let me take it out of this thing. So this is the frontal. Let me see how it is a little, that looks a little grayish, but I think if I put makeup on it, it'll really hide the lace color. But this is the frontal. It is full, but you know, I'm gonna pluck that anyway, except right here. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna pluck this anyway and customize it. But I think this is gonna be really pretty, you guys. Hold on. I think this is gonna be really pretty, you guys. So yeah. Anyway, I think it's excellent that the company actually decided to send me the hair all of the right lengths, because they could have, I've been checking the pounds to see how much the package weighs, like on the shipping website. They could have sent me anything. They could have sent me a brick and said, oh, this is her hair. Sure, I would have gotten my money back, but they could have sent me 3 8-inch bundles and said, hey, here you go. So I think this is really good that they sent me that. And the woman I talked to, she was really sweet, and she talked to me all day about this. Like, I knew she wasn't like in control. She obviously worked for her manager. So this is really great, you guys. I'm gonna make a wig out of this hair, and I'm gonna show you all how I make my wigs because I've never shown you all that before. So make sure you all are subscribed to my channel. Be on the lookout for that video. I'll probably upload those two around the same time and link it at the end. So make sure you all are subscribed, like this video, comment. I'll link the description, link the hair. So even if I didn't get that great deal, like the hair really isn't that expensive. It will probably be $170, $180 or something for $326 in a frontal. So that's pretty good. But anyway, you guys, thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.